y'all's turn to do it. So, one by one, you guys are each going to pick a problem, read the problem out loud to all of us, and then we're going to decide whether it's a subtraction problem or an addition problem. If it's a subtraction problem, using our apples and our trees, we're going to solve it, okay? Does that make sense? Yes? And if it's an addition, we're just not going to do it, okay? So, Karen, go first. Pick any problem on the table. Just pick up any card. Okay, so read the problem out loud now to everybody.
There was an apple with 11 apples on it. A gust of wind came and 4 apples fell off. How many apples were still hanging on the tree?
How many apples were still hanging on the tree? So, is this going to be a subtraction problem or an addition problem?
Subtraction.
Subtraction, good. So, can I see it? Good, I'm going to pop it up right here. So, let's all solve this problem. How many apples? There were 11 apples. There was an apple tree with 11 apples on it. So, let's put 11 apples on our apple tree. You got 11? Yes. You got 11, Karen?
Yes.
Okay, so now it says a gust of wind came and 4 apples fell off. So how many apples are we going to take off our tree?
4.
4. So let's take off 4 apples. Count off 4.
Can I take out first?
1. Alright. How far off, Karen? Make sure you only take off 4, Karen. Alright, so let's count how many apples we have left now on the tree. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 apples. Do you have 7 apples, Karen? Yep. Good job. She does too. Good job. We got the problem right. Good job, Karen. Good job, Jennifer. So let's wipe away all of our apples off our apple tree and our baskets. All right. Okay, so we are going to move on to the next one because we're actually running out of time. So we're going to do the worksheet, okay? We're going to move on to the worksheet. So you guys can leave your apples and things. So this is where the pencil comes in, all right? So on this worksheet, we are once again going to use these cards. And we are going to fill out this worksheet. So in the apple is where you're going to write your answer, all right? And in the boxes, we're going to draw pictures, okay? And the key word is one of these subtraction words. And then we're going to write out the problem. So let me demonstrate really quick. Oops, I don't want that one. I don't want that one either. Too many additions. Alright, so let's try this one. Bob went apple picking. He came to a tree that had 17 apples on it. He picked off 14 of them. How many less apples were on the tree? So, is this a subtraction problem? Karen, is this a subtraction? It is takeaway. And how do you know it's takeaway?
Because it's down right there was a boy takes away 14 apples.
Yes, he picked off 14. How many less apples were on the tree? So let's look at our subtraction keywords. Which word did I use from this list? So looking at this list. All right, Gabby, we're going to do this worksheet now, and this is my problem. Bob went apple picking. He came to a tree that had 17 apples on it. He picked off 14 of them. How many less apples were on the tree? So which of these subtraction keywords did I say? Did I say how many more? Did I say how many more? No. How about decrease?
No.
No. How about less than, Karen? Did I say less than?
No.
No. How about take away?
Yes.
Did I say take away? How many less apples were on the tree? Did I say take away? No. How about minus?
No.
How about difference?
No.
How about left?
No.
Remaining?
No.
Larger, fewer, longer, faster? No. How about subtract? How much more? No.
No.
Well, I said how many less. So less is actually another word for less. Okay? So let's do this problem. I want all of you guys to pick up your pencils. Let's do it. So, in the first box, how many apples were originally on the tree? He came to a tree that had 17 apples on it. How many? How many apples were on the tree? 17. So, let's draw 17 dots in this first box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right. Now, alright, so now it says he picked off 14 of them. So in the second box, we're going to draw 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to draw 14 here, Karen. 14 dots. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right. Draw 14?
Yes.
Okay, good. So now the key word. Here we're going to write the key word that lets us know this is subtraction. And in this case, it's going to be the word less. So here we're going to write less. L-E-S-S. All right. L-E-S-S, Karen.
That's all the line. There we go. Stop.
All right, so now let's move on to the bottom of this. This is where we're going to write our problem. So what's our subtraction problem? What's the first number? 17. So let's write 17 here. And then, is this addition or subtraction?
Take away.
Take away. So let's draw a minus sign in the first one. And what are we minusing 17 from?
14.
14. So let's write the number 14. And then, what do we write next? We write the what sign? 17 minus 14. What's that sign? What? Equal sign. So we're going to draw the equal sign, that one. And 17 minus 14. What is that? Who knows? You guys can use your counters if you want to use your counters really quick.
Is it 20?
No, it's not 20. Are we adding or are we minusing?
So we just put minusing.
Minusing. So, let's use our counters, or we can use our apples.
Yeah, we can use our apples.
Let's count out 20.